Hello, welcome to a quick tutorial on how to stop other videos showing up after your video is played on your website. So this is nice and quick, it's easy to do, and we'll jump straight into it. So the first place you need to come to is YouTube and find the video that you're looking to embed onto your site. So for today's purposes, I'm going to be using the best heat mapping software for your website. So the first thing you need to do is come down to this little share button located beneath the video, click onto that and it will present you with a number of social links and the embed link, which is the one that we need. So come onto embed, click onto that and it'll give you this nice screen with the link there for you. So you can click this little shortcut here and copy that to your clipboard, then come over to the back end of your website. Obviously I'm doing this on a blog, but you can do it onto a web page too. So coming into the HTML here, we're just going to paste that in, and yeah, so here you are, you've got your link, everything there for you. And yeah, so what you need to do now is find the actual video link. So here you can see, oh, here you can see the actual video link is in here with two quotation marks either side. So you need to come to the end of the link, which as you can see is here for this video that I'm including now, and put in the following code. So it'll be question mark REL equals 0. Now I'll leave that on the screen right now for you so you can see that and pop that in when you need to do this for your own video. And once that is done, you're all good to go. You can publish that, publish the web page, and it will stop obviously competitors' videos coming up, similar videos to yours coming up. And yeah, so that should help you out. Hopefully this has been a helpful tutorial, and yeah, I look forward to speaking to you soon.